Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Molly and today I am going to be making some homemade gummy bears for my kids. They love gummy bears and I thought that we should start making them homemade instead of buying them at the store with all kinds of extra ingredients that we don't really need. So I got these molds off of Amazon. I will link them in the description box. They were less than $10 and they were really cute. Silicone, 3 different ones, 3 different colors. And they are these little bear shaped, just like gummy bears that you would buy in the store. They have some other fun shaped ones, like dinosaurs and trucks and stuff like that, but I wanted to get the traditional gummy bears. So I will link this in the description box. They're from Amazon, like I said. So these gummy bears are really easy and they're sugar-free, which I love. So super simple, jello, sugar-free jello, and unflavored gelatin, and I'm just gonna mix it with some water. I'm gonna mix it on the stove and fill these molds, and then they'll go into the refrigerator for a little bit and they will harden up, and they're just really great to have and homemade, so that's wonderful. I will put the recipe for this in the description box and I'll list everything out in the description as well as linking these silicone mats that I just love. They're super fun. So I will show you how I make these homemade gummy bears. I have my pot on the stove and I have my sugar-free jello. It is 0.3 ounces, so it's the small pack. So I'm going to pour it into my pot. I haven't heated my pot up yet, so I'm just pouring it in the pot. And then I have 1 packet of unflavored gelatin. So I'm going to mix this in with the sugar-free jello. I'm going to stir it around, mix it together, and now I'm going to add in 1/3 of a cup of cold water. And then I'm going to whisk this and turn the heat up to medium. So I don't want this to boil, but I'm going to whisk it around until it is all dissolved. It's gonna take about 2 minutes. Okay, so I have the little silicone trays and the little dropper pipette, and I'm going to fill each little gummy bear mold with the mixture of the jello and gelatin. So I'm gonna try and do this rather quickly because I don't want the gelatin to start forming up into the pan. So I'm going to put these into the molds, and then I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. They're not gonna take too long, but I have it on the cookie sheet so that they're easy to transport into the refrigerator and that nothing spills. So I'm gonna fill these all up, put them in the refrigerator, and then these are ready to go for the kids. Okay, so the gummy bears have been cooling in their molds in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. So they're all in here. I'm going to just pop them out. They come out really easily. So I just push through, and here's my little gummy bear. So they are just exactly like a store-bought gummy bear. They look the same. So I'll just keep popping all these out, and I will store these in the refrigerator in an airtight container or a plastic baggie, whichever you prefer. All right, so the gummy bears are all out of the molds. The molds, nothing sticks to these. They're really great. They just pop out and basically all the way clean. And we'll have to kind of wash it a little bit, but I just love how it's not very messy at all and no really much cleanup, so it's really great. I love these molds. Like I said, I will link them in the description box. They're from Amazon, 10 bucks, and you can make these super cute homemade gummy bears with sugar-free jello, a little bit of gelatin, and they're really easy, super cheap. The kids love these and they are healthy also. So they're all ready to go for the week for the boys. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and leave me a comment on this video if you like it. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.